Well, it has to go across various elements. So if we again start in the service side, typically the conversation is around the opportunity to lift and shift, right? So they don't have to reinvent the wheel just to get back to where they are at, right? So that's very reassuring to any kind of CIO who says, okay, I'd like to move to the cloud, but I've made an investment in my technology stack and processes, and I don't want to have to spend all this money just to re-implement what I've done. So that addresses a major concern that a lot of folks have. So that allows us to say, okay, now as we're making this transition, what incremental things do we want to invest in, right? Do we want to invest in asset? Do we want to invest in discovery? Do we want to invest in things like digital employee experience that'll help us move the initiative forward? And so those tend to be the conversation, and the newer elements of the portfolio that you're offering are just enabling that that vision of a consolidated dashboard versus silos. So it becomes a very simple conversation to have with customers.